me burying my grave and glide home to my God and be free. Uhuru and Butu, this year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, right here upon these islands, in the sea, right here from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. We're so glad for greet the family, with a gather yonder, in the Bush Harbor, the Maroon global family. We send greeting to you. So one of the children to know, say we together here for freedom too. We want bless one upon this your day, for the strength, the freedom was staying, and all we soul that we to beat drum together round the world, that we blood not going cold. For this your day, not only do we say Ubuntu, but we send to you this call of Uhuru, then want for know we be with you, even though we day on this your island in the sea, and Hona be there where Hona be. We stand together with all the global Maroon family. We yeti the call, and we fight for freedom for we all. Stand strong, one love. Uhuru